Welcome back to our Berlin travel adventure. If you watch our episode 1, we traveled across borders, from Bahrain to Istanbul, and finally landing here in Berlin. Hi! If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Julibe from the Philippines. Currently, I'm living and working in the Kingdom of Bahrain. I'm on a journey to explore the world one adventure at a time while figuring out this roller coaster ride called Life in My 30s. In today's episode of my life, we're diving right into the city. I'm going to give you all the details on how to get from Berlin Brandenburg Airport to Berlin City Center using the FEX, which is the express train. It's quick, easy, and way cheaper than other options. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide on how to catch the FEX and save yourself some euros. So, let's get started!
We don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. That's why you go to hell. Take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now? Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you. And I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off.
so hard not to like you. There's so much there to like. And none of that you feel the same about us. Yeah, but the timing isn't right. So I'ma just let go, let go. You've seen us more than friends. And I'ma just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend. But I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go. And I'll leave it to the universe. Let's 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 leave it to the universe. I'm not gonna wait, but it'll never be too late. You're into faith and I'm into fate. So I'ma give it some space, cause love ain't a race to be won. And maybe someday we'll find a way between love and lust, respect and pray. We put the kettle on after we walk in the morning sun. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna let go, let go. I'm seeing us more than friends, and I'ma just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go, and I'll leave it to the universe. Leave it to the universe. Let's leave it to the universe.
I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Fast, slow, why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High, low, shouldn't be this dark, broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, touch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow.
When the stars fall out the sky, I try to catch them. When the past fades, my heart will recollect them. Every droplet of your time has my attention. Any worry on your mind, I can deflect them. Baby, tell me your dreams will manifest it. If you wanna run away, I will protect ya. If your head's in the ground and you wanna get out, we can go into the clouds. I've been struck by Cupid's arrows. The drums inside my heart beating faster. They go. I wanna fly to Jupiter with you, but I know you're a fool for.
And we finally made it to Berlin Hauptbahnhof. The express train was such a quick and easy way to get here from the airport. It's perfect for anyone looking to jump straight into the heart of Berlin without any hassle.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous. But 'cause they'll break your heart. 'cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for it.
Thanks for joining me on this second part of our Berlin travel adventure. In the next episode, we'll check into our hotel, dive into Berlin's famous sights, and yes, visit different filming locations from the K-drama Queen of Tears. If you're a K-drama fan, this one's for you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our latest Berlin travel adventures. See you in the next vlog!
Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us.